Good morning, teacher Carlos Andrés Gomez. The present video shows my skillful touch. Personal information. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jhon Fredy Moreno. I am 40 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Ibagué. And I'm single. Now I work as teacher in Sena Institute. My birthday is on March. I born in Ibagué. This is a beautiful city. My family and persons. I had two sisters and live with my son, my mother and two aunts. I am a true outgoing person. I am friendly, honest, skillful, and proactive person. I like to walk in the park in the morning, take boots, and go to the gym. I don't like to drink soda. I dislike to eat vegetables, and I hate the noisy sound. My daily routine. In the morning, I am normally wake up so early, mornings, and at 4 o'clock a.m. I take a shower and dry a juice. I organize all that my son needs to go to school. Then, at 7 o'clock a.m., I take the bus to Sena Institute in order to work. In the most of the time, I have lunch at 2 p.m. All my day is to stay there more or less and 6 p.m. I go to university for doing the housework on my study. I always return to my house at 9 p.m. I told to my family about housework they finally prepare the material for the subject on the news day, and at 12 p.m. I go to bed. Thank you for your attention.